Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to be showing you guys this learning kit. So you use letters to form words. It helps build logical thinking, beginning ability, and interactive skill set through the game. It's rated for 36 months and older. So let's go ahead and show you guys what is inside the box and check it out. See what the quality looks like and go from there. Alright, so this is it. Very simple and basic. So it's basically, you got a board here. So the board is made out of wood. So that's interesting. So you actually get, interesting. Oh, I see. So the top is where you spell. So you hold it like this. Let's go ahead and put the words down. So it goes like this. And you put a card in. So you would pick a name, an animal. So you got pig, bin. So pig, bin, cat, bag, hat, cop, cut, ban, kit, tub, sat, run, cog, can, leg, bat, ham, bed, bib, cot, pin, pen, fig, and heg. Heg? Interesting. So we're going to take pig here, and what you do is you place the card right inside here, and you have them spell out the word pig. Interesting. So now that you have it here, now what they have to do is they gotta go through all these letters and you move them around until you find pig. So let's see, there's a P. So I think that's a pig. So let's go and move these all around. Or is that a P? That might be a P too. So let's go ahead and move this up P. So we need an I. So we got an I way down here. So yeah, your child would go through this whole motion and find pig, P-I. Now we need a G. So let's go find a G. Oh, the G's way at the bottom there. Oh no, wait, there's one right there. There we go. P-I-G. And what does that spell? Oink, 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 oink. So, anyway, if you think this is something that would help your child, check more information on the listing, but I think it actually would promote a lot of fun with your child.